guys, welcome back to the Madman Mechanics YouTube channel. As you see from the last video, we was having construction done inside and outside. Moved along a lot since we last done our video, so as you can see we've had the whole car park resurfaced with gravel, so that's a little bit nicer as you drive through, a little bit smarter, and just tidies the outside of the building up. Obviously the guys down at low down sprayed, which you see in the last video, so let's go inside and we'll show you what else we've been up to. So down on this side we have Mobro Constructions in, doing some more partition building. The other side of this is all our parts store for the quads that come in, get stripped down. We can locate all our parts in there, we know exactly what quad it goes with. We've got engine components in there, cranks, stuff like that, nothing too exciting. This is not really changed this bit, this is just from when our quads are ready to go out once they've been worked on. Come a bit further on, we've got fabrication bench. So obviously the quad builds that come in, any of the R1 Big Bangs or the 2CR quads or any of the 700 quads that need any modification or any fabrication, that's where that takes place over there. Mobros have put in a full width bench, so we've got plenty of space for builds. Obviously at the moment you can see that there's 5 quads down here, so we've got plenty of space to take apart, maintain, reassemble, just get done what we need to get done, not worry about anything about mixing parts up or anything like that. So we've got plenty of space to work on. We've got another Raptor 700 here that we're in the middle of. This has come through, come in as just like an old, bit tired quad, and we've gone through and completely customised the whole quad. So as you can see we've got extended and dipped arms. She's gone for the carbon pack on the engine, so all the engine cases have been dipped. We've blacked out the engine. Set of oversized Pro Taper bars, some new wide and Nerf bars, just little cosmetic bits. Going to have a new full exhaust system put on it, just to make it look smart for the customer. So last time the office was a little bit different to probably what it'll be now. We have Mobro's Construction in, putting the floor down, getting the walls done, just making it a lot nicer for the boys to work on, to come through. So we've got some new seating area, so have a little bit of lunch, and customers come down and they talk about what they want to build, just a little bit more comfortable. And then we've got the boys work area, where all the boys deal with the incoming quotes and customers asking what they want, just stuff like that, general stuff, nothing too exciting. So I'll take you through, and we're going to catch up with Stu and see what he does on the hydro dipping side of stuff for like the carbon packs.
Alright, so today I'm doing, we've got some extended A-arms and an extended axle that are being dipped. Currently just prepped them all up, took all the bits off that don't need to be on there no more, and they're ready to go to paint. Next step, dip. Back up in the dipping bay, all the parts have been prepped up now and they've all been sprayed in a water-based paint, which allows us to give a better turnaround time. They're all ready now and they're going to go to be dipped in gold carbon. Right, so the dip's all done, as you can see. Just going to rinse it off now, then it's going to go into lacquer.
So that was Stu showing you the dipping side of stuff. Now we're going to go back to Stu and show you what happens to a frame when it comes back from being freshly powder coated to getting it assembled and the engine into it and stuff like that.
The Madman Mechanics Raptor 700 we've got going on at the moment. It's having a full custom build with full carbon package, a few other little pieces going on there you get to see along the way. It's just come back from powder coated, checked it all over, we're happy with it. It's all been taped up now, ready for the build to commence. Let's go.
Guys, lunchtime down at Madman Mechanics and DMO's just rolled up, so we're going to show you what we get up to on a normal lunchtime hour.
Yo guys, what's going on? You've just seen how a Madman Mechanics lunchtime goes down. It's absolutely mental. Every time I come down here, it's fun and games for me. I don't know about when I'm not here, but when I'm here, it's absolutely lit. So, back to work. They work hard, they play harder, and they work even harder. We're going to go back in the unit, and Tony's going to be demonstrating what he's doing with the engine rebuild. I'm not too sure if he's doing an MMM stage 1, 2, 3 or 4 or 5, but he's going to explain to you what he's doing. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications before we go in.
Just stripping a Raptor 700 engine down. It's got a seized crank. Been not looked after very well, so the result of that is a totally seized crank. So that's coming in for a full rebuild. Stage 2, high compression piston and different cam. And it will go back out to a customer, totally fresh, ready for the summer. This is the engine that come in with a seized crank. So I've had a brand new bottom end hot rods crank gone in, new main bearings, full bearings and seals throughout. Got high compression Carrillo piston going into the top end with a stage 3 cam. So just getting the bottom end built up, ready to take the top, and then it'll be ready to go into the bike and onto the customer.
Okay, so Tony is working on a 2019 700 Raptor, and he's also installing the MMM F1 LED pack. So this is basically indicators which have got integrated brake lights and integrated side lights, not side lights, but full daytime running lights at the front, and at the back it's got the brake lights which they've flashed like the F1 pack. So stay tuned, and Tony's going to go through that with you right now.
So we've got a 2019 Raptor 700 that's coming for various upgrades. We've got upgraded Nerf bars from the standard ones. We've gone for fat bar conversion, these being Pro Taper, with a wireless phone charger. We've got at the front, we've gone for 6K LED light upgrade with dynamic indicators. These can be optional in what you go for, whether you have just a standard indicator, you can have the strip indicators, you can also have flashing brake lights integrated into that, depending what option you want. We've got a twin exhaust system going on it, taking it from a single-sided exhaust to the twin exit exhaust that customers requested.
Yo guys, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I appreciate everybody who's watching the Madman Mechanics channel at the moment. We've just hit 2,000 subscribers on YouTube already, which is absolutely crazy. I remember when I started my channel up and I didn't reach that until about a year's time. So we've got a lot more content coming up, even though if I'm not here, as I'm meant to be hosting it, and I've been busy, that's why Tony's taken over, because I've just had a little one. The ball will keep rolling, so stay tuned. Make sure you turn on notifications and make sure you share the page, and we have got way more interesting things coming on, like I said, my own personal builds and with the Madman Mechanics as well inside there, so just stay tuned and watch it. Thanks, bye.